Itai, in recognition of your hard work and dedication to learning this year, we would like to present to you your diploma for completing preschool at home. Congratulations.
¡Bravo!
First of all, I'd like to thank you all for coming today. We're here to celebrate the graduation of Itai Samin Wild from preschool. He'll be moving on from preschool to kindergarten. This year, he spent the year at the School of Mama, and he did amazingly. He's way far ahead. He got perfect grades this year with Mama. And he was very studious and helpful.
Yeah.
So at this time, I would like to ask Itai Samin Wild to step forward up here. In recognition of your hard work and dedication to learning this year, we would like to present to you your diploma for completing preschool at home. Congratulations.
¡Bravo!
Now take your tassel here and move it to the other side. You lift it up, and there you go.
Bravo!
For successfully completing preschool at home, signed by Daddy the Principal on this day today.
Gracias por todo este tiempo en la casa con mami, en la escuela, y estoy orgullosa de ti, Itai. Te quiero mucho.